Tired of budgeting? Feeling overwhelmed by all the financial tracking apps out there? Or maybe you just want to simplify your life and ditch one more thing. Well, if you're ready to say goodbye to PocketGuard, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to delete your account completely and reclaim your digital space. But first, let's be real. Deleting an account isn't always as straightforward as it seems. Sometimes it's buried deep within the app settings, other times it requires contacting support. So, grab your phone or laptop, and let's get this done. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is open the PocketGuard app. Once you're in, tap on the Profile tab. This is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From your profile screen, you'll likely see a gear icon. Tap on that. This will open your settings menu. Now, here's where things can get a little tricky. Depending on the latest app version, the option to delete your account might be labeled differently. Look for something like Account, Manage Account, or even Delete Account. Once you find the relevant section, you'll be presented with a few options. Deactivate account. This usually temporarily suspends your account. Your data might still be stored, but you won't be able to access the app. Delete account. This is the option we're looking for. Important note, before you hit that delete button, double-check if you want to lose all your financial data. Consider exporting your data if you need it for future reference. Okay, let's assume you found the delete account option. Tap on it. PocketGuard will likely ask you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Read the confirmation message carefully and then tap on Confirm Deletion or the equivalent button. That's it. Your PocketGuard account should now be deleted. However, it's always a good idea to double-check. Try to log back into the app. If you're unable to, then you know the deletion was successful. Deleting your account can have implications. For example, you'll lose access to all your past budgeting data, insights, and any connected bank accounts. So, make sure you're absolutely certain you want to proceed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.